Welcome back to Headlines Today. We want to get you to news from Delhi now, where the Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung has issued fresh guidelines for nursery school admissions. The new rules follow an order from the Delhi High Court after a public interest litigation demanded they be changed. They come as a major blow to private schools as they do away with the concept of management quotas and also have reservations now required for at least 25% of seats going to economically weaker sections and disadvantaged groups. Vijay Kao joins us live from Delhi for details on the story. Vijay, give viewers a sense of what these new rules are and how they've changed from the previous set.
Well, Pierre, I would start by giving out the percentage of the seats reservation. Now, according to the new rules, 25% seats will have to be reserved for the economically weaker section. After that, about 5% of the remaining seats will be reserved for the students who are sons and daughters of the staff of that particular school. And after that, you have a further 5% reservation. So around total 35% reservation is what Najib Jung has brought into force. That leaves around 65% so-called open seats. Now, within these open seats, the distribution and the allotment of seats will be done on the basis of points. Now, there has been a change in the point system as well, Pierre. Initially, the system was that you would be given 50 points if the student was staying within a 5-kilometer radius of the school. But now that has changed. It has been changed to 6-kilometer radius. And if a student is staying within a 6-kilometer radius of a school, he would be given around 70 points. After that, he would be given around 20 more points if his siblings, his elder brother or sister is part of the same school. That makes it around 70 points. Now, the remaining 10 points are allotted on the basis of whether or not your parents are an alumni of that school, and if you're a girl, then you would get 5 points more in a co-educational school. So therefore, the norms have become even more stricter. However, Najib Jung has not touched government-aided schools and schools that belong to the army and other forces. They can continue with their special reservation. Pierre, last point, very importantly, Najib Jung has completely abolished the discretionary quota, what was called the management quota of the schools when it came to nursery admissions. Back to you.